everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today I'm going to be unboxing this little box. This little box that I got sent to me from plants.com. It is a surprise box. I have no idea what's inside. I'm holding this card in front of my address because I didn't find a marker, but they offered to send me some plants. They are a Dutch web shop and they're also on Instagram. I'm really excited to see what is inside. I love surprises because I'm normally the one who organizes things for other people, like surprises. So it never really happens to me. I don't have much experience with being surprised, but I love knowing nothing. It's like a luxury to me. So let's open this up. It's a really nice box, actually. I'm gonna reuse this. Hey Roos, my name is on the card. That's nice. That's my name right there. How do they do that? We hope you enjoy getting to know us through this complete baby plants kit. It is our way of saying, let's connect and grow a friendship. Aww. So if you use the code, I'll put it on the screen, plants-partytime21, you will get a discount at their website. That's adorable. Oh, nice. They have some care tips on this as well. And it looks pretty, so it's not annoying to keep around. You can just actually... That looks cute. This is wrapped so nicely. Wow. I'm a sucker for good packaging, which is why I have Apple products. And look at that. It's wrapped in like beautiful tissue paper or whatever you call it, like with a print on it and their logo, and then it's closed with a sticker. I love that. Well done. Okay, let's see. We've got some baby plants. So they have babyplants.com and plants.com. And I think there are 3 plug plants in here. We'll open them up in a moment. So I guess they created their own fertilizer and some, I love this actually, the wrapping stuff that is just cardboard. So it's not bad for nature. I think there are some pots in here, some terracotta pots. So these are 3 tiny little terracotta pots with little saucers. Very practical for the baby plants to actually go into. I guess it's like a whole package of everything you need. Plants plus pots plus feed plus something else that I don't know yet. Very good because I have a lot of small plants, but I don't have enough pots for them. I've been looking for pots this size, just like even plastic pots to put them in. That noise kind of hurts my insides. They're very cute. And I know some of you guys love terracotta pots, so I'm gonna test it out. I don't have many plants in terracotta right now. We've got, oh, that's cute too. 3 little labels. You guys know I name all my plants and I put labels in there with their names, not their plant names, but their given names. So these can go in there as well. And then, what is that? Oh, it's soil. This is like everything you need to plant some plants. That's so cute. Open this up and see the plants. I love this packaging, even though it is plastic. I've unwrapped from online baby plants before. I'll link the video. It's plastic, but it's very practical to keep plants alive. Woohoo! Oh, yay! So first we've got this very cute little calathea, or whatever, it might be reclassified. I think this is the Burl Marx, because I've got the Burl Marx Amagri, and that's the grayer one. I think this is the regular Burl Marx, but I am no expert for calathea, or whatever they're classified as now. So please tell me in the comments if I am wrong. I'm happy to be wrong in this case. Not always. Then a tiny little baby Adansonii, which I used to have a really, really big one. I'm scared to touch this because that had mosaic virus. And I actually never made that video. I filmed it, but I never edited and posted it. But that plant basically died because it was completely infected. I'm gonna be a little bit scared for this one, but they are really cute and it grew really well for me before. I like that they stand up. And then this last one, I love alocasia. And I actually have this one already, but I feel like it's not doing a lot yet. I actually got this from Online Baby Plants. Oh, sorry, did I tell you what this is? This is an alocasia black velvet with a slightly funky looking leaf, which actually makes it so much more adorable. And when these new leaves come out, they look so beautiful. They're slightly lighter, which is something I'm a sucker for, like melanochrysum or whatever. They are my jam. But they're velvet and they're beautiful, and the little lines are shimmery. Very, very awesome. I guess right away now I would be able to pot them up in the little pots and have them ready for display. So cute. I kind of made a commitment to only get wishlist plants in. So you might see me giving these away soon, or I might just give them to friends and family, which I've been doing a lot. I potted these up and it looks super adorable. See this little set? And I actually realized that this, for someone who is just starting with plants, is a great gift because it gives them everything they need to start their plants off healthy. And it even has the information on that little leaflet thing that most of us already know, but beginner plant people don't yet. So I actually have a friend over today, one of my best friends ever, and she's getting into plants more. So I'm thinking about giving these to her and also giving her the feed and the rest of the soil so that she can start her plant collection. It would have been more fun to give her the gift itself, but I wanted to see what was inside. So yeah, she might get 3 starter plants. Ooh, and she gave me this one. So she's a cool friend. Thank you so much to plants.com for sending me this. This is a really nice surprise. Like I said at the beginning, I really like to not know something. I'm super excited that they're willing to send this to me. I love the little pots. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you would prefer shorter videos. Don't forget to do the thumbs up below and leave me all the questions that I asked during this video below. And also I'd love to know if you have ordered from plants.com before. Actually, their website plants.com has just launched, but the online baby plants, what they were before, if you've ever ordered there and what your experience was. It's always nice when people can have a more well-rounded idea of a shop, because my experience is only one experience, and of course together we know a lot more, which is also why you should check out my friend Miranda's, I wasn't planning to say this, but Miranda's Instagram. I cannot pronounce her handle on Instagram, but I'll type it in the screen, because she reviews plant shops on her Instagram and people can share their reviews. So in her highlights you can see all the different shops before you order. It's very useful, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you're planning to order from a new plant shop. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video, and take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love. Bye!